We're all working from home these days, and everybody's just taking it day by day.
But we're a digital agency.
So we're still operating at full capacity.
Our teammates are safe, healthy, and happy, and working from home.
There's been a few questionable style choices.
And background entertainment. Yeah.
But we're still here.
Building brands.
Videos.
Digital and social media.
Ad campaigns.
And websites.
We're taking on new clients.
And staying connected with current ones.
So, if you need anything,
Anything at all.
Get in touch.
Because it's important to be more connected than ever.